Hi, it's Kevin from the Clean Plumber, and today we're going to talk about hot water. Running out of hot water, seeing rusty water, hearing strange noises from your hot water system. These are often warning signs that your hot water system may be nearing the end of its life. And the last thing you want is to wake up to no hot water on a cold morning, or worse, a major leak that floods part of your home. As hot water systems age, they can develop internal corrosion and rust, leaking tanks and valves, reduced hot water capacity, higher energy consumption, inconsistent water temperatures, complete system failure. A leaking hot water system can cause damage to floors, walls, cupboards, garages, and surrounding areas, often resulting in repair costs far beyond the cost of replacing the unit itself. The good news? A modern hot water system can provide more reliable hot water, better energy efficiency, lower running costs, improved water pressure and performance, greater capacity for growing families. Whether you're considering a gas hot water system, electric storage, continuous flow, or a heat pump upgrade, we'll help you choose the right solution for your household and budget. At the Clean Plumber, we can inspect your existing system, explain your options, and provide an upfront recommendation based on your home's needs. Don't wait until you're taking cold showers or dealing with a burst hot water tank. The Clean Plumber. Over 41 years in business, over 41,000 jobs completed, thousands of satisfied customers, going the extra mile to see you smile. Upgrade your hot water, improve your comfort, protect your home. Book your hot water assessment today.